Akamai Identity Cloud Online Training. What is Akamai Identity Cloud and why is it important? Akamai Identity Cloud is a comprehensive identity and access management (IAM) platform designed to secure, manage, and provide seamless access to digital resources across various applications and services. It enables organizations to streamline user authentication, protect sensitive data, and ensure compliance with security policies while delivering a seamless customer experience. Key features: Single sign-on. SSO Akamai Identity Cloud allows users to authenticate once and access multiple applications without needing to log in again, improving user convenience and security. Multi-factor authentication. MFA enhances security by requiring users to provide multiple forms of verification, such as passwords and biometrics. Identity Federation enables organizations to connect and manage multiple identity sources, including social logins, example Google, Facebook, enterprise identities, example Microsoft AD, and custom identity providers. API Security protects APIs by controlling access, enforcing policies, and ensuring only authorized users or services can interact with the system. Customer Identity and Access Management CIAM focuses on managing and securing customer identities, enhancing user experiences, and providing personalized services. Access Control and Authorization allows fine-grained access control, ensuring users can only access the resources they are authorized to. Importance of Akamai Identity Cloud. Improved security. By implementing strong authentication mechanisms like MFA and SSO, it reduces the risk of unauthorized access and potential data breaches. User experience simplifies the user login process, improving convenience with features like SSO and social login integration. Compliance helps organizations meet regulatory requirements by offering secure and auditable authentication and authorization capabilities. Scalability supports businesses in scaling their identity management as they grow without compromising security. Centralized management simplifies identity and access management, allowing businesses to manage user access and security policies from a single platform. Integration integrates with various applications, cloud services, and on-premise systems, providing a flexible, interoperable identity solution. How does Akamai Identity Cloud simplify customer identity management? Akamai Identity Cloud simplifies customer identity management by offering a comprehensive, scalable solution designed to enhance user experiences, ensure security, and streamline administration. Here's how it simplifies the process. Centralized identity management. Akamai Identity Cloud provides a unified platform to manage customer identities across various applications and services. It integrates with existing IT infrastructure, allowing organizations to handle multiple identity sources seamlessly. Single sign-on. SSO. The platform supports single sign-on, allowing customers to access multiple services with one set of credentials. This enhances user convenience while improving security by reducing the number of passwords to manage. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Akamai Identity Cloud supports advanced security features like MFA, which adds an extra layer of protection to customer accounts, safeguarding against unauthorized access. Flexible authentication. The solution supports various authentication methods, social logins, biometrics, etc., allowing businesses to offer flexible and secure authentication options tailored to customer needs. User profile management. It allows businesses to manage user profiles efficiently, ensuring personalized experiences. Customer data is stored securely and can be updated easily, which enhances the overall customer journey. Consent and privacy management. Akamai Identity Cloud helps companies manage consent and user privacy in compliance with global regulations, such as GDPR, by providing clear consent workflows and secure data handling practices. Integration with third-party systems. The platform integrates with a wide range of third-party applications, including CRM systems, marketing platforms, and other enterprise tools, ensuring that identity management is linked to other business processes. Scalability and performance. Akamai's cloud infrastructure ensures that the solution scales efficiently to handle millions of users while maintaining high availability and performance. Risk-based authentication. The platform can assess user risk based on behavioral patterns and other factors, enabling adaptive authentication that provides enhanced security without compromising the user experience. What are the key features of Akamai Identity Cloud? Akamai Identity Cloud is a comprehensive identity and access management (IAM) solution designed to improve security and user experience. Some key features of Akamai Identity Cloud include: Single sign-on. SSO enables users to access multiple applications with a single set of login credentials, simplifying the user experience and improving security. Multi-factor authentication. MFA adds an extra layer of security by requiring users to provide two or more verification factors, such as SMS, email, or authenticator apps. Adaptive authentication uses risk-based authentication to assess the user's behavior, location, device, and more, dynamically applying additional security measures based on the risk level. Federated identity management supports integration with external identity providers, example Google, Microsoft, Facebook, allowing users to log in using their existing credentials from trusted services. Identity federation and API authentication facilitates secure sharing of data and access across multiple platforms, with secure authentication for APIs and backend systems. Authorization and policy management provides fine-grained access control to applications and resources, ensuring that users have access only to the resources they are authorized to use. User directory management allows organizations to manage user profiles, attributes, and roles across different systems, with centralized user management for seamless access control. Self-service account management. Users can manage their own account settings, including password resets, profile updates, and MFA settings, reducing administrative overhead. Scalability and performance. Akamai's cloud-based architecture ensures that the platform can scale to handle high volumes of users while maintaining optimal performance. Privacy and compliance helps organizations comply with regulations like GDPR, CCPA, and others by providing features for user consent management, audit trails, and data privacy controls. How does Akamai Identity Cloud ensure security and compliance? Akamai Identity Cloud provides a robust framework for securing user identities and ensuring compliance with industry regulations. Here's how it ensures security and compliance. Multi-factor authentication. MFA. Akamai Identity Cloud supports multi-factor authentication (MFA) to enhance the security of user accounts. By requiring multiple forms of verification, such as biometrics or OTPs, it reduces the risk of unauthorized access. Single sign-on SSO capabilities allow users to access multiple applications with one set of credentials, reducing password fatigue and simplifying security management. It ensures that only authenticated users gain access to sensitive systems. Role-based access control. RBAC. The platform enforces role-based access control to ensure that users only have access to the resources they need. This principle of least privilege helps in reducing security risks by limiting exposure to sensitive data. Data encryption. Akamai Identity Cloud uses strong encryption protocols, example TLS, SSL, AES, to ensure that user data is securely transmitted and stored, protecting against breaches during data exchanges. Compliance with regulations. Akamai Identity Cloud is designed to comply with industry standards and regulations, such as GDPR, ensures that personal data is handled with transparency, privacy, and security. HIPAA meets healthcare data security requirements. SOC 2 follows controls that ensure data privacy and security. CCPA complies with California consumer privacy laws. Identity Federation. The cloud service supports Identity Federation, allowing organizations to extend their security boundaries and integrate with other identity providers. This ensures smooth and secure interactions between various systems and applications. Advanced Threat Protection. Akamai Identity Cloud incorporates advanced threat detection techniques, such as behavioral analytics, to identify suspicious activities and prevent identity-based attacks like credential stuffing or account takeover. Audit and logging. The platform provides detailed logs and audit trails of all user activities, which are crucial for monitoring and investigating potential security breaches, as well as for meeting compliance requirements related to access controls. API security. It ensures secure APIs for authentication and authorization processes, reducing the chances of exposing user data or services to potential threats. Privacy features. The platform gives users control over their data by allowing them to manage privacy preferences and consent, supporting both user privacy rights and regulatory compliance. How does Akamai Identity Cloud support multi-factor authentication (MFA)? Akamai Identity Cloud supports multi-factor authentication (MFA) by offering a flexible, multi-layered approach to securing user access. Here's how it works. Multiple MFA methods. Akamai Identity Cloud supports a variety of MFA methods, including SMS, email-based one-time passcodes, OTPs. Users receive a code through SMS or email that they need to enter to authenticate. Push notifications. Users receive a push notification on their mobile device to approve or deny the authentication attempt. Time-based one-time passwords. This is based on a time-sensitive code generated by an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Biometrics. Support for biometric authentication such as fingerprint or face recognition, depending on the device. Hardware tokens. Physical devices that generate OTPs, providing another layer of security. Adaptive authentication. Akamai Identity Cloud offers adaptive authentication, meaning that the system can evaluate risk factors and determine when to require additional authentication. For example, if a user logs in from an unfamiliar location or device, the system may prompt for MFA to ensure secure access. Customizable MFA policies. Organizations can define custom MFA policies based on user roles, geographies, devices, and other criteria. This allows businesses to tailor security to their specific needs, ensuring that the right level of protection is in place for different types of users. Seamless integration. Akamai Identity Cloud integrates MFA with other authentication methods such as single sign-on, SSO, and risk-based authentication, ensuring a unified and secure user experience without adding unnecessary complexity. User experience. Despite offering robust MFA options, Akamai ensures that the user experience remains seamless by allowing users to authenticate quickly using their preferred MFA method. What industries benefit the most from Akamai Identity Cloud? Akamai Identity Cloud provides secure, seamless, and scalable identity management solutions, benefiting a variety of industries, particularly those that require high levels of security, personalization, and user experience. Here are the industries that benefit the most. Retail and e-commerce. Akamai Identity Cloud enhances the customer experience by providing secure authentication and single sign-on, SSO, across multiple platforms. It helps retailers manage customer identities efficiently, enabling personalized shopping experiences while ensuring secure transactions and account access. Financial services. Financial institutions benefit from Akamai's advanced identity and access management solutions, ensuring secure login processes for sensitive banking and financial transactions. The cloud helps with regulatory compliance, fraud prevention, and securing customer data. Healthcare. The healthcare industry requires strict security measures for patient data and compliance with regulations such as HIPAA. Akamai Identity Cloud helps manage secure access to sensitive health records while ensuring healthcare providers and patients have seamless access to relevant applications and information. Telecommunications. Telecom companies use Akamai Identity Cloud to secure user access to various services, including mobile applications, account management, and billing. The cloud solution helps manage millions of user identities with ease, offering scalability and flexibility in user access management. Government and public sector. Governments leverage Akamai's Identity Cloud to secure citizen services, e-government portals, and internal applications. By providing secure access to digital services while ensuring privacy, Akamai helps maintain public trust and meet regulatory standards. Media and entertainment. The media industry benefits from Akamai's Identity Cloud to manage user access to subscription-based content, streaming services, and member-only areas. It ensures a secure and smooth user experience for consumers while protecting against unauthorized access and piracy. Education. Educational institutions use Akamai Identity Cloud to provide secure access to online learning platforms, student portals, and internal systems. It simplifies user management for both students and staff, offering a seamless login experience while ensuring data privacy. Technology and SaaS providers. SaaS providers use Akamai Identity Cloud to secure access to their applications, enabling seamless sign-on for users across devices and platforms. It also supports advanced user management features like multi-factor authentication, MFA, and access control to ensure secure software as a service offerings. What integration options are available with Akamai Identity Cloud? Akamai Identity Cloud offers a variety of integration options to provide seamless identity and access management (IAM) across applications, websites, and services. Some of the key integration options available include Single Sign-On (SSO). Akamai Identity Cloud supports SSO integration with various applications and services, enabling users to authenticate once and access multiple resources without re-entering credentials. It integrates with both web and mobile applications through standard protocols such as SAML 2.0, OpenID Connect, OIDC, and OAuth 2.0. Federated Identity Management. It supports identity federation with external identity providers, IDPs, like Active Directory, LDAP, and social identity providers, Google, Facebook, etc. This allows users to authenticate using existing credentials from trusted external systems. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. Integration with MFA methods, including one-time passcodes, OTPs, push notifications, and hardware tokens, is available. This can be configured to enforce additional security layers based on user roles, risk levels, or contextual information. API and SDK integrations. Akamai Identity Cloud offers SDKs for mobile apps and APIs for integrating authentication and user management features into custom applications. The APIs can be used for tasks such as user provisioning, authentication, and session management. Customer Identity and Access Management, CIAM. Akamai provides integration with CIAM platforms, enabling businesses to manage customer identity data and access across web and mobile apps. This includes support for social logins, self-service registration, and user profile management. User directory integration. Integration with external directories, example Active Directory, LDAP, for user management and synchronization is supported. This ensures that identity data remains consistent across systems. Social login integration. Akamai Identity Cloud supports integration with social login providers like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, and others, making it easy for users to authenticate using their social media accounts. Identity management workflows. Akamai supports integrations with identity lifecycle management systems, enabling automatic user provisioning, role-based access controls, and user deactivation based on defined workflows. Custom authentication and authorization. through support for flexible authentication mechanisms and the ability to configure custom authorization logic, businesses can tailor authentication flows and access controls based on business requirements. Why choose ProExcellency for Akamai Identity Cloud online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Akamai Identity Cloud online training offers several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency employs instructors with real-world experience in Akamai Identity Cloud, ensuring that you learn from experts who are proficient in the platform's features, tools, and use cases. Comprehensive curriculum. The training covers all critical aspects of Akamai Identity Cloud, from foundational concepts to advanced configuration and customization, helping you become proficient in managing identity and access management (IAM) solutions. Flexible learning. With online training, you can learn at your own pace and from anywhere, making it easier to fit into your schedule. ProExcellency's platform typically offers a mix of live sessions and recorded content for flexible learning. Hands-on experience. The training is often designed to include practical exercises and real-life scenarios, which provide hands-on experience in implementing Akamai Identity Cloud and solving real-world IAM challenges. Certification preparation. ProExcellency often prepares you for certification exams related to Akamai Identity Cloud, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to pass certification exams successfully. Support and guidance. ProExcellency provides continuous support during your training, with instructors available for questions and doubts. This support ensures that you don't feel stuck or overwhelmed during your learning journey. Up-to-date content. The course content is regularly updated to reflect the latest features and best practices related to Akamai Identity Cloud, ensuring that you receive current and relevant training. Reputation and track record. ProExcellency has a proven track record in delivering high-quality IT training, which ensures you are getting training from a reputable provider known for its professionalism and quality. Thank you.